Now, let's solve together exercise 2.1 part 1 page 32. Let's read the question. Put a cross in one box to show the number of 700 MB CDR, which is read-only, needed to store 1 gigabyte. In other words, how many CDs of capacity 700 MB do I need to store data with the size of 1 gigabyte? The options are 5, 3, 1, 2. Let's calculate together to get the right answer. To begin with, 1 gigabyte is 1024 MB, and the capacity of one CD is 700 MB. So, 1024 divided by 700 is equal to 1.46 CDs. Of course, I cannot get 1.46 CD because there is no such a thing as a CD and a half. 1.46 simply means that one CD will be full while the other will not be full. So, we need 2 CDs to store 1 gigabyte of data.